good, everybody? It is Berto out here with another vlog.
What's up, player?
Let's get it. We out here with Myra, and we are getting a cockatiel today. Number 2, because Mello's by himself right now, and I haven't told you guys on Instagram. What am I saying? YouTube. I haven't told any of you guys yet that Smokey the budgie passed away, and so did the other budgie that we had, the one that was Myra's bird. I just didn't put the news out there, you know. But yeah, so rest in peace to them. Sucks that we lost the budgies, but right now Mello's by herself because there's a good chance Mello's a female. Mello's about 9 months old, so from the looks, everything says female. So we're actually going to the very same guy we got Mello from, and we're gonna get a male. And this time, this male is about a year and 4 months old, the guy said. It's a common cockatiel, gray body, yellow head. Definitely looks like a male, no stripes on the tail. Pure black, grayish color on the tail, under the tail and everything. Full head yellow up to the, right under the neck where the neck starts up. Right now, how far are we? We got 45 minutes left. I'm pretty excited. She's not. She thinks Mel's already annoying as hell. But hey, whatever. I like Mello. Mello's dope. She likes Mello too. You don't like Mello?
I do. It's like a love and hate relationship that we have.
Bitch. The door.
Well, Mello's annoying, yes, because if he's not, or if I gotta get used to the whole calling Mello a she, because I was really hoping Mello's gonna be a male. But hey, whatever, I got a female. Nothing wrong with that. But yeah, when I first got a cockatiel, I wanted the cockatiel because of the whistling and the talking and all that stuff. Even though male cockatiels aren't the best talkers, from what I've been hearing. Yeah, whatever. I mean, I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't have a male. I'm just gonna go get another one. Look at them teeth, though. Everybody that be following my candid aligners journey, you guys can already see. If you guys go to my old videos, damn, that's crazy. Woo. We out here though. Look at them. Look at that. Go to my old videos, you'll see that big old gap that I had. This one's basically non-existent now. But we out here though. We're about 40 minutes away. About 45 minutes still. So, catch you guys when we get there. Not get there, but when we're closer. Alright, so we just pulled up to the street. And we're basically here. Gotta go check out this cockatiel. We actually didn't even bring anything to put this bird in.
This is like, what, the second time we come? Is it over here? I thought it was over there.
I don't remember.
It was.
Oh.
Man, why am I listening to you?
Boy, if you don't.
Alright, so got the bird in the box. So this guy tells us that the bird bites. It's not tame. I didn't know that. So this whole time we thought we were getting a bird that was hand raised. Because I dealt with them before, so I thought all his birds were, hand raised. No, apparently not. Looks like we got a handful now. I got some training to do though. I don't know, I don't think it's gonna be too hard. I think it'll be easy once he sees Mello. And sees how I am with Mello and everything. We'll see. On our way back now though. Alright, just got home. About to set up the cage real quick because I completely forgot to do that. And yeah, put the bird in the cage. Got a few names. Not sure yet. But yeah, this is definitely a boy. Pretty cool guy. Trying to figure out a name. He's still super scared. We cleaned this cage. Yeah, this is where the budgies came. But this little guy, hey, we're gonna do a lot of training, man. What's good, everybody? Next day, didn't finish recording last night because just spending so much time with the bird, I just forgot. Started cleaning the cages for him and everything and made sure he was comfortable, you know? Didn't want to bother him too much. Not too long after, I put a blanket over him, you know, called it a night. But just wanted to finish the vlog off. Hey. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's the new guy over there. But anyways, yeah, Mello's cage is cleaned. Let's go see that real quick. You got a good beat. Got a good beat. That was actually pretty dope. So it's official. That's a boy. But yeah, over here with Mello real quick. In the Mello room for now until the quarantine period is over. That was actually pretty dope. That was the main thing I wanted a cockatiel for, was to hear the whistling. And it's actually pretty cool. Mello is definitely a female. So, and there he goes again. But just wrapping up the vlog, I'm gonna go chill with this guy. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.